Next up, our 2024 Orlando Mini Female Best Dancer winner from Club Dance Studio, Sylvie Szyndlar.
Name per girl, name per girl, name per girl, number girl now. Never got my heart here in my hands. Now I got my heart here in my hands now. Now I've been searching for my wings. I've been searching for my wings sometime. I'm gonna be born into soon the sky. I'm gonna be born into soon the sky. 'Cause I'm a bird girl, and the bird girls go to heaven. I'm a bird girl, and the bird girls can fly. Oh, bird girls can fly. Bird girls can fly. Bird girls can fly. I'm a girl now.
That was 2024 Orlando Mini Female Best Dancer winner, Sylvie Szyndlar.